Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showcasing the 10 best places to go in Italy. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just looking for beautiful scenery or a place to relax, Italy has something for everyone. Be sure to watch until the very end to see our own favorite place to go in Italy. Let's get started. First up, we have the magnificent city of Rome, Italy's capital, known for its ancient ruins, world-renowned museums, and delicious cuisine. Rome is home to some of the most famous landmarks in the world, such as the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Pantheon. The beautiful Trevi Fountain, one of the most famous fountains in the world, is a popular spot for tourists to toss a coin and make a wish. You can also explore the Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica, and the Sistine Chapel, with its stunning ceiling fresco painted by Michelangelo. Don't forget to try out some of the delicious Roman cuisine, such as bruschetta, toasted bread topped with tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil, or pomodori al riso, tomatoes stuffed with rice and herbs. Next up is Florence, a beautiful city known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and world-famous art. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the beautiful Duomo Cathedral, which features a stunning red-tiled dome that dominates the city's skyline. The Uffizi Gallery is home to some of the most famous Renaissance art in the world. Here, you can see works by artists such as Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Raphael. The Ponte Vecchio is another famous landmark in Florence. This beautiful bridge is lined with shops selling jewelry and other luxury goods and offers stunning views of the Arno River. Venice is a stunning city that is built on water and is famous for its romantic canals, beautiful architecture, and rich history. One of the city's most famous landmarks is St. Mark's Square, which is surrounded by beautiful buildings and features the stunning St. Mark's Basilica. Of course, no trip to Venice would be complete without a ride on a gondola. These iconic boats are the perfect way to explore the city's romantic canals and take in the beautiful views. Another must-see attraction in Venice is the Doge's Palace. This beautiful palace was once the center of political power in Venice and is now a museum that houses a stunning collection of art and artifacts. The Amalfi Coast is a stunning stretch of coastline in southern Italy known for its beautiful beaches, charming towns, and rugged cliffs. The beaches here are some of the most beautiful in Italy. The clear blue waters and rocky cliffs create a dramatic landscape that is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and taking in the stunning scenery. Visit the picturesque town of Positano, known for its colorful cliffside houses and stunning sea views and narrow streets. You can also hike the famous Path of the Gods trail to take in the region's breathtaking panoramic views. Try a refreshing drink of limoncello, a sweet liqueur that is made from the region's locally grown lemons. Moving on to the fashion capital of Italy, Milan is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in high-end shopping and world-class cuisine. The city is home to several famous fashion houses, including Armani, Prada, and Gucci. Visit the famous Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a beautiful 19th-century shopping arcade. Milan's Duomo is a stunning Gothic cathedral, one of the largest churches in the world, featuring intricate carvings, stunning stained glass windows, and an impressive spire. Milan is also home to several world-famous art museums with vast collections of Italian and European art, including works by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Caravaggio. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Next up is Lake Como, a stunning destination in northern Italy. Known for its crystal clear waters, picturesque towns, and beautiful mountain scenery, it is one of the most popular destinations in Italy. Visit the towns of Bellagio, famous for its narrow streets and beautiful gardens, or Verona with its colorful houses and stunning views of the lake. Several historic villas and gardens are open to the public. The Villa Carlotta, for example, is a beautiful villa that is surrounded by stunning gardens and is home to several famous works of art. In addition to its natural beauty and historic attractions, Lake Como is also a fantastic destination for outdoor activities such as hiking and boating. Verona is a beautiful city known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, and romantic atmosphere. This city is a popular destination for travelers who are looking for a charming and cultural experience. Visit the Arena di Verona, a stunning Roman amphitheater that is one of the best preserved examples of its kind. The arena is still used for concerts and other events today. Verona is also famous for its connections to Shakespeare's play Romeo and Juliet. The city is home to several landmarks that are mentioned in the play, including Juliet's balcony and her supposed tomb. The city is also known for its delicious cuisine, which is based on traditional Venetian and Italian recipes. Be sure to try some of the local specialties, such as risotto with Amarone wine. Sicily is a beautiful island located off the coast of southern Italy. Known for its rich history, stunning coastline, and delicious cuisine, Sicily is another popular destination in Italy. Sicily's stunning coastline is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Italy, with their crystal-clear waters and white sand. The beaches of Taormina and Cefalù are amongst our favorite spots. Mount Etna is an active volcano that dominates the island's skyline. Visitors can take a cable car up to the summit of the volcano and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Visit the Valley of the Temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that features several well-preserved ancient Greek temples. Sardinia is a gorgeous island located off the coast of Italy, known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and rugged coastline. One of the most famous attractions in Sardinia is the Costa Smeralda, a stunning stretch of coastline that features some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Visit the charming medieval town of Alghero, famous for its stunning architecture and beautiful seaside views. Sardinia is a great destination for water sports such as windsurfing and kite surfing. There are several schools and rental shops where visitors can learn how to do these activities. Finally, we visit Tuscany, our favorite destination in Italy, known for its beautiful countryside, charming hilltop towns, and world-class wine. There are many beautiful towns worth visiting throughout the region, such as Siena, Pisa, Lucca, Cortona, and San Gimignano. Tuscany is also famous for its stunning countryside, with its rolling hills, olive groves, and vineyards. There are many beautiful hiking trails and bike paths that offer stunning views of the landscape. Wine lovers will love Tuscany with its world-famous wineries and vineyards. Visitors can take wine tours and tastings to sample some of the best wines in Italy. And of course, Tuscany is known for its delicious cuisine, which is based on fresh, local ingredients. Try traditional Tuscan dishes such as ribollita, a hearty vegetable soup, and fagioli all'uccelletto, a dish of beans cooked with tomatoes, garlic, and sage. And that concludes our list of the 10 best places to visit in Italy, a country filled with stunning natural beauty, delicious cuisine, and rich culture and history. Leave us a comment to let us know which destination you would most like to visit. Thanks for watching.